Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to reset any AC remote control and fix the problem of remote control not responding with your air conditioner or your AC remote control not working at all. Now over here I do have different air conditioner remote control from different brands, and even if your brand of AC remote control is not here, this tutorial is also going to work out perfectly fine for you. We are going to be going through three solutions or three methods, and the first and easiest one, which will work out for most people, is to simply reset your AC remote control by removing the batteries of the remote control. I'm going to use this AC remote control for instance. So what you want to do is to first of all turn off your air conditioner. You can either tap on the power button to turn it off or just unplug it from the wall socket if you can. And then on your AC remote control, you want to just turn over to the back, then open up the battery pack just like so. If you're using the TCL or the LG or any brand, the way you open it up might actually be different. But once you're able to open up your battery pack, you want to go ahead and just remove both batteries from your AC remote control, and then you want to now long press on the power button for about 10 seconds. So just press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. And what this will do is that if there is any power surge that is causing your AC remote control to not work properly, this will actually fix that problem and then reset your AC remote control of all the settings. So after 10 seconds, you want to go back and put back your batteries into your AC remote control. Make sure that your batteries are actually good also. So if you have bad batteries, you can go ahead and change them, then proceed to insert them back into your AC remote control and then close up your battery pack. And now you can go ahead and try turning on your AC using the power button over here. And if yours is unplugged from the power source, also make sure you plug it back to the power source and then try to turn it on with your AC remote control and see if that will fix the problem for you. Trust me, majority of the time it works. But if by chance that particular solution does not work out for you, you want to go ahead and look for the reset hole on your AC remote control. A very good example of this is the LG remote control over here. For most LG remote control, you're going to see this little hole over here. If it is not here, you're going to find it somewhere at the back, depending on the brand of AC remote control you have or the model of AC remote control. And at this point, what you want to do is to get a tiny pin as this over here and then just insert it inside of this little hole. Remember, yours can either be at the front or somewhere at the back, but then once you find it, you want to just insert it, press and hold it for some seconds, and you're going to see as your AC remote control will turn off and then restart by itself. You can literally see how it just restarts. Give it a couple of seconds. So this will basically just reset your AC remote control, and if there is any problem like the AC remote control not working or not responding with your air conditioner, it might actually fix that problem for you. You can go ahead and again try to turn on your AC with the power button and see if that will fix the problem for you. But if that does not also work out, the final option is to look for the reset button. So basically, some older generations of AC remote control actually comes with a reset button that you can literally just find somewhere around the buttons. And what you just want to do is to either tap on it or long press on it, depending on your type of AC. It automatically just resets your AC remote control. And again, that might also fix any problem with your AC remote control not working or not responding with the AC. And I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.